Hello and welcome again to the channel. Today we have Audi A8 and we just completed SNS Smartphone Interface upgrade. This is the upgrade that features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. As you can see, I'm already in Apple CarPlay menu. So because we have got an iPhone connected for testing to demonstrate the functionality. But let me just step back for a moment and just go back to the car menu so I can show you. If I press any button on the MMI console, let's select radio, for example, it switches back to the car Audi original MMI menu. And here I can just go as before, go radio, I can go to media, I can go to navigation, and so use the original navigation system as you can see here. I can press menu, so that goes to the main menu, and so none of the functions have been lost. I can still access car and go through all the settings and features in the car. I can go to telephone, so everything is there. So the newly installed system, the way to access it, you press the navigation button here and you hold it for 3 seconds. This switches over to this new feature, and then you can control your full Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on the phone that is connected, function. So here I can scroll through using the main rotary button here. I can scroll through the apps. So you can see I'm going through the bottom line to the top line. Like this. If you don't want to scroll all the way, if I'm for example in highlighted music app here and I want to go straight to the bottom line, I can just use this button here, press down, and it will just go straight down. And if I want to go back up, I can press this button and it will just go straight back up. Or you can just scroll through as I'm just doing it now. Again, you can go to any app you want to use. So let's say Google Maps, this will start that. To go back, you just press the back button. You can go to Waze, for example. This will bring up Waze. So all our favorite apps that are supported will come up on the Apple CarPlay. The same with Android Auto. This system is fully controlled by the MMI console, and pressing any of the buttons like, let's say menu, will get us back to the car original Audi menu. And again, to switch back, nav button, and then that switches over back to the CarPlay. So it's a fully integrated system installed into Audi A8. For more details and check your car compatibility, contact us please through the links in the description. Otherwise, thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.